Glass Reinforced Gypsum, or GRG as it is commonly known, is arguably one of the industry's most versatile products. The thinner and stronger layers afforded by GRG allows for the creation of a wide variety of architectural shapes, not easily achieved by alternative products. GRG can produce large yet lightweight structures, multi-directional curves, fine, complex shapes, and can easily be turned to for bespoke designs, all with seamless invisible joints and a completely smooth finish. With its ability to be cast into almost any shape, GRG combines durability with strength, longevity, lightness, and unparalleled ease of installation.